Real candy. If you've ever moved a long distance, you know that it can be something of a hassle to try and get a real good impression of the place that you're looking at. Our vision is to have, essentially, within the home, a small drone with pre-programmed pathways. So you can direct your own tour and say, hey, I want to go look at the kitchen now. I want to pan, rotate, zoom, and you can get an HD view of what your home really looks like. The other nice thing is that a lot of the time you have questions for your real estate agent. So with Candy, you can either, if the agent is available and online, you can have a real-time chat with them in text or voice, whatever you want to do. Another problem that you might run into is if you're trying to buy a home with a spouse who lives a long distance from you. It could be hard to coordinate a visit to one home. So using Candy's collaboration aspect, you can join together, view the home together, ask any questions you want, and you can bring in anyone else you want.